Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to draw trend lines and other chart patterns on TradingView. Alright, it's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. I'm just going to give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now the first step is to select a chart. So select the chart and click on the drawings button, and this will take you to the drawing tools where you can choose from various patterns and tools. Step 2 is to choose a drawing tool. So you can just go ahead and choose a drawing tool from the list of available ones on TradingView. And step 3 is to draw the pattern. So draw the pattern on your chart. Use the drawing tool to create trend lines, channels, and other patterns. And you can always just adjust the size and positions of the patterns as needed. Step 4, of course, is to customize drawing settings. So you can customize drawing settings such as colors and line styles. You can also adjust the appearance of the pattern to suit your specific needs. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to draw trend lines and other chart patterns on TradingView. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next.